Okay, so this is the HTC Evo View 4G tablet, and we're going to show you the HTC Scribe technology here. One of the first things to show you is just the ability to be able to draw on anything, to ink anywhere on the device. So if you're somewhere like in the browser and you want to share something, we can quite happily do that. So here I've got a web page up. It might be there's something interesting on this web page that I want to show some friends. So I've got my pen here. If I just tap on the screen, it takes an image of the screen. I can now quite happily draw over this. Down here, if I tap, I can pull up the palette, so I can go ahead and select the color, select the type of brush or pen that I want to use, and also the size of the inking. So let's hide that away. I can now start inking on my web page, so it might be that I want to go and say, hey, look here, and I might want to share that with some friends. So now if I tap on the screen, I've got the option to save the image just to the device, or I can go and share it. So if I hit that, I can go and post it to Facebook or send it as an email. So if I'm somewhere on the device, whether it's in the browser, in email, whatever I'm doing, I can just grab it, write a little comment on it, draw something on it, and share it very easily. So very quick and easy sharing of information. Another thing we've got with our Scribe technology is our Notes application. So if I open that up, we've got a Notes app here. It connects to Evernote, so any notes that you sync in the cloud can come down to the device. So we've got some very rich notes here, the graphics and the formatting that were created on the PC, but because of the sync with Evernote, they can come down to the device and we get all that information down here on the device. We also have the ability to create notes. So if I go and hit the button there, we could actually attach the note to a meeting item. So if we're in a meeting and we want to take notes in the meeting, we can say attach it to the calendar item and it will embed it in the calendar item. I'm just going to create a new blank note here. Let's give it a quick title. Demo. And once that's done, I've got a page of notes here that I can quite happily type on using the keyboard. I can scribble on the notes, or I can actually go ahead and take a photo and actually drop the photo direct into the notes page itself. So very rich notes you can take. We can also record the audio. So if I'm in a lecture and I want to take notes, or just a meeting, I get the audio track as well. And as I'm taking notes, whatever I'm doing on the device, it will actually put little markers in the audio track as it records it. So when you come to play back the audio, you can go to specific points and it will show you where you are in the notes. It's technology we call time mark. So that's our note-taking application. The other app we've got that takes advantage of HTC Scribe is our Sketchbook. It's a simple drawing application, kind of a similar notebook style interface, but I'm going to go and create a new drawing. So here again I can ink on the screen. If I pull up the controls, we've got the same ability to record audio. So perhaps I'm giving directions to somebody and I want to actually ink these directions. If I just turn this on its side and say, okay, we've got the road here, it goes down there, and we're going to this place over here, it's a really cool restaurant, so you're going to come down here and you're going to find it here. We're recording that kind of information, we get the audio as well as the drawing recorded. So if I go back in, stop the audio, and just play it back, we get the audio playing back, and it will actually start playing back my drawing as well. So in real time with the audio, you'll get to see the inking that I did. There we go, so you can see the drawing. So it's actually playing back in real time the drawing that I created. Again, another aspect of our time mark technology. So that's HTC Scribe on the tablet with HTC Sense, and this tablet being the HTC Sprint Evo View 4G.